How to create Lyft driver account. Hello everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete. In this video presentation, I'll teach you on how to create a Lyft driver account. It's a really quick and easy process, so follow along. In order to create your driver account, visit the Lyft website at www.lyft.com and access the website and select the driver option in the top. You will be redirected to the Lyft driver page, and here you can learn about how the Lyft driver app works and its benefits. If you're interested in becoming a Lyft driver, enter your mobile number or the phone number in the box at the top and agree to the terms and conditions of the service and click on Apply to the Drive. You will then need to provide your full name, email, city of the operation, and optionally a promo or the referral code. After submitting this information, you can finish setting up to your account and start driving for the Lyft. Upon submission, you will receive a verification code to confirm the creation of your account, and you can simply go and open your email to verify the confirmation. So this was all basically on how to create a Lyft driver account. If you found this video to be helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. And don't forget to hit that bell icon in order to update yourself whenever we upload new videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.